Sharing your app means getting a QR code that links to the APK file that you can download and put in your portfolio files Do Not Delete. This is also required for Turnitin, which is the project file that's got the design, the properties, and all of your blocks in it that can be opened in MIT App Inventor. You'll notice that the PNG here can have a different name and that I've added the date code at the end of these so that I know what version I'm on. So let me delete these and show you how to create them. I'm here on MIT App Inventor, and you have done this plenty of times before. I'm going to build the Android app APK, but instead of scanning that QR code, which is only good for 2 hours, it's not good for our portfolio, we're going to download the APK to our computer. Remember, it'll go in the Downloads folder, and then it should be moved to our Project folder. Okay, now that it's been built, instead of using this, we're going to download it. Downloading the APK. You can see it in the Downloads folder here, and this is where I would rename it so I know what date I did this on. 24/05/14 for this file. Now this file needs to go to 2 places. One is our project folder. So note I have the App Inventor project folder. I'm going to drag it into that folder. Now, other folks can't access this folder, so this needs to go to our Google Drive Portfolio Files Do Not Delete. I'm going to go over to my portfolio files, and you can see here that I've made a folder called App Inventor. It's not necessary, but I'm trying to stay a little more organized. To add the file, my preferred way is New, and then choosing File Upload. Not a new folder, not uploading an entire folder, just that file. And you can see I've navigated already to my App Inventor project folder. Notice Windows doesn't know what to do with this. This is only for Android devices. Once it's uploaded, we can get the link to it, and that's what we'll use to generate the QR code. It's already in a folder that's been shared, so you could technically just copy the link. I think it's a good idea to click on Share, verify that it's anyone with the link, and then you can copy the link from this screen. Now we need to get to the QR code generator. There's a link on the assignment. It's also on Datatech Studio, or you can Google it, but make sure you include the word "the." There's hundreds of different QR code generators, but I found this to be the easiest. I'm going to paste that link that I copied, and then just download it. Don't try to get fancy with these colors. Our tablets have a tough time. Just keep it the standard black and white, and the 1000 pixels is right in the sweet spot. Just keep it as PNG, and then about 1000 pixels. You don't want something too huge. We're not making a billboard here, and these could have a low enough resolution where it might have trouble. Now a good name for this PNG would be the date code, and then this is your multi-app, and it's a QR code, and then your name. Those things should be included, although the order is not essential. I'm going to download that QR code, and with that QR code downloaded, we can use that in our portfolio and also, of course, upload it to the assignment. And there's one more file that we're going to need. I'll go ahead and get that one before I move them into my project folder. Now you've been shown how to make a backup of your project. It's this export. So go to Project, Export the AIA project to your computer. And now we have the actual recipe, including the design screens, the blocks, all the properties, everything that's needed to actually generate that APK. I can show that in the folder and take both of those files and move them into my project folder. I know all 3 files, the AIA project folder, the APK that Android knows how to install, and that QR code that will last for as long as that file is in that shared folder. When you graduate or move to another school, it will stop working because that file disappears. Keeping track of this, you can put it on your own Google Drive if you wanted to. So those are the 3 files to be uploaded for turning in your multi-app, as well as the file that you'll need in order to put it on your portfolio.